Hi everyone, and welcome to the workshop. I'm really excited to be here with all of you today. In the next 60 minutes, we'll explore how to confidently deliver the AI-ready ASEAN modules in a way that feels impactful, flexible, and tailored to your local context. You've already seen the content. Now, it's time to think about how to bring it to life. This program is in partnership with Limitless.org, ASEAN.org, and powered by Google.org. It is facilitated and monitored by two AI-ready ASEAN Master Trainer, namely yours truly, Dr. Jester C. Nicodemus, and Miss Pearl Ramirez Bernal from Cavite National High School. AI Ready ASEAN is a regional program supported by Google.org and the ASEAN Foundation, aiming to build AI literacy across 10 countries. It targets youth, parents, educators, and trainers with self-paced modules that are contextual, inclusive, and future-ready. Over 5.5 million beneficiaries are expected to be reached. What is the Hour of Code? The Hour of Code is a global movement that introduced coding and AI to students, parents, and educators, all in just 1 hour. It's fun, beginner friendly, and designed to show that technology is for everyone. With our guide, you'll have everything you need to make it exciting, impactful, and easy to follow. No matter which challenge feels the biggest for you, that's exactly why Hour of Code exists. The Hour of Code breaks down the barrier of coding is only for experts and shows how fun and approachable it can be. It is designed to help educators and community leaders like you, whether you have a lot of tech experience or none at all. Bring fun, engaging technology learning to your students in just 1 hour. Let's explore how. AI and coding skills are becoming essential for future jobs. It helps learners move from passive tech users to creative problem solvers. Now, who can join? They can be students, parents, educators, and even anyone in the community. Even if your students don't become programmers, the skills they gain from Hour of Code, the critical thinking, creativity, and resilience, which are invaluable for any future career. After taking, you can receive a certificate of participation if you will finish the activity at the code.org website. So now, let's proceed to the website. But before that, you have to take the pre-test, which can be found in the screen presented to you. Let us start with the pre-test. Open the QR code or the highlighted link and choose Nicodemus Jester as the trainer or evaluator. It is a multiple choice questionnaire and can be answered in less than 5 minutes. We shall pause this video to give you the chance to answer the pre-test. Let us explore how AI works by training our own AI model. So let us open the link, open the AI for Ocean, and let us start training our AI tool. So we will pause this video and start with the activity. Welcome back. So how's the activity? Now, let me ask you, dear learners, what did you learn about how AI makes decision? Was the AI always right? What caused its mistakes? If you could build your own AI to solve a problem in your school or community, what would it do? And lastly, why is it important to teach AI fairly and give it diverse data? So now, let us answer the post test. Again, open the QR code or the highlighted link and again choose Nicodemus Jester as the trainer or evaluator. Congratulations on completing your hour of code. You've taken your first step toward becoming AI ready. Now, share your experience. Post your photos and learnings on social media using hashtag AI Ready ASEAN, hashtag Hour of Code, hashtag BeASEAN. Don't forget to tag at ASEAN Foundation and at google.org. If you want to learn more about AI and earn more certificates, visit the AI Literacy website using the links in your screen and register. Again, this is your master trainer saying thank you very much everyone and happy AI learning.